Hey guys, this is Iggy back again with Dragon Blogger. This is the Perixx PX5200-BR mechanical gaming backlit keyboard. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like in the dark. As you can see, the lighting is blue. And this is that G key I was telling you about right over here. When that is on, the Windows keys are disabled, so that way, you know, if you're gaming and you by mistake hit the Windows key, your game doesn't minimize and your start button pops up. So that's pretty cool. While the G key is pressed, aside from getting rid of the Windows key, that also enables the 12 key rollover. So that the anti-ghosting feature, if you hit a bunch of keys, that way the keyboard responds a lot quicker and you don't repeat keys or, you know, along those lines. And now up here are the M keys. It might be a little bit hard to see in this video because of the lighting, but there's M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, and M8. Those are your macro keys. And then there's the MR key right up here. So what you do is press and hold the MR key and press any one of the M keys. So for example, I'll press and hold the MR key and then press and hold M1. You can see the MR key starts up. And during this mode, you can enter in any kind of key combination you would like. So, for example, I want to spell my name. I-G-N-A-C-I-O space Castillo. And then we'll press the MR key again. You can see how it blinked really quick, just letting you know, all right, I'm saving this. So next time, if I want to, if I'm writing a document, you know, my M1 key spells out for me Ignacio Castillo. Or if you're playing a game, you can record some sort of, you know, key macro combination and just hit M1 or M2, 3, 4. So you have 8 different combinations there you can use. Aside from the macro keys, you can also change the way the lighting is. Now they're solid, so to change them, you hit MR and tab. So hold MR, tab. Not only WSASD show up, and your numlock, if you have numlock enabled. Press MR and tab again. Now your arrow keys and numlock, or of course if cap locks was enabled, cap locks would show too. And let's do MR and tab again. That just disables all the lighting, of course, unless you have, you know, one of these keys turned on. And finally, MR and tab again just turns it all back on. That's pretty much it for the keyboard. Now, just to show you real quick how these look like, we can take one of these guys out. Super bright. You know, we'll take some more out. Amazingly bright. Now, just to help you out a little bit, I'll turn the lights on. All right, and of course, you know, we can just take any key out. I have 2 of my handy dandy knives here. So, just to show you how this looks, and so that you can clean it if you ever wanted to. You can pop out all the keys, and when you're done cleaning them, just pop them back on. I have 6. Alright, that's pretty much it. In this video, I've shown you MR and how all the macro keys work and how to record on them. I've shown you the G key that stops the Windows button from working and then also enables the rollover feature, that way for anti-ghosting and everything. And then also, you know, just how to change the lighting on the keyboard. I'm still playing with this keyboard. I do like how soft everything is. I am already used to the clicky and the clacky of the mechanical keys of the cherry blue, but coming back to this, it feels like you have cushions and it feels nice. So that's about it for now. Again, this is Iggy with Dragon Blogger, showing you the lighting effects and some of the other features for the Perixx PX5200-BR.